Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Adam and I want to learn how to speak Thai. In this video, I've learned how to say the days of the week in Thai and some other new phrases. They are Monday to Friday, today, yesterday, tomorrow. What day is today? Today is Monday. I work on Tuesday. I go to office on Wednesday. On Thursday, I go to the gym. I study Thai language every Friday. On Saturday, I want to go out. I'm free on Sunday. Let's begin. The first word is wan, which is day. Wan. Next are the days of the week in Thai, beginning with Monday, wan-jan, wan-jan, wan-ang-kaan, wan-ang-kaan, wan-put, wan-put, wan-parahat, wan-parahat, wan-suk, wan-suk, wan-sau, wan-sau, and Sunday is wan-aa-tid, wan-aa-tid. Weekend is sau-aa-tid, sau-aa-tid. It is a combination of Saturday, sau, and Sunday, aa-tid, sau-aa-tid. Today is wan-nii, wan-nii. Wan is day and ni is this. Wan-nii. Yesterday is muea-wan, muea-wan. Mua is when, a marker for time, and wan is day. Muea-wan. The day before yesterday is ma-ren, ma-ren. Ma-wan is yesterday, sun is like the day before yesterday. Ma-wan-suen. Or alternatively, you can say 2 days ago in Thai, which is sorng-wan, tiiao, sorng-wan, tiiao. Sorng is 2, 1 day, ti is that, used to refer to a specific time, and leaw already. Sorng-wan, tiiao. Tomorrow is prung-nii, prung-nii. Prung is next, indicating next day, and ni is this. Prung-nii. The day after tomorrow is ma-ren, ma-ren. 1 day, ma-ren is next day, or the day after tomorrow. Ma-ren. Every day is tuk-wan, tuk-wan. Tuk every 1 day, tuk-wan. If I want to have a conversation by asking, what day is today? In Thai is wan-nii wan-a-rai, wan-nii wan-a-rai. Wan-nii today, 1 day, a-rai what? Wan-nii wan-a-rai. Today is Monday. Wan-nii wan-jan, wan-nii wan-jan. Wan-nii today, wan-jan Monday. Wan-nii wan-jan. To say I work on Tuesday, it is tam-ngan wan-ang-kaan, tam-ngan wan-ang-kaan. I, tam-ngan is a new word I learned. It is work. Wan-ang-kaan Tuesday. Tam-ngan wan-ang-kaan. I go to the office on Wednesday. Bpai office wan-put, bpai office wan-put. Bpai is go. Obviously, office is office. Wan-put is Wednesday. Pom pai office one put. On Thursday, I go to the gym. Wan parahat pom pai yim. Wan parahat pom pai yim. Wan parahat Thursday, pom I, pai go, yim is gym. It is borrowed from the English word gym. Wan parahat pom pai yim. I studied Thai language on Friday. Pom rian pasatai wan suk. Pom rian pasatai wan suk. Pom I, rian study. Pasa language. Pasatai Thai language. Wan suk Friday. Pom rian pasatai wan suk. On Saturday, I want to go out. Wan sau pom yaak bai tiao. Wan sau pom yaak bai tiao. Wan sau is Saturday. Pom I, yaak is 1-2. Bai is go. Tiao is go out for fun, for leisure. Wan sau pom yaak bai tiao. I'm free on Sunday. Pom waang-wan-aa-tid. Pom waang-wan-aa-tid. Pom I, waang, another new word, free or available. Wan-aa-tid, Sunday. Pom waang-wan-aa-tid. I drink coffee every day. Pom đơm gaa-fae wan. Pom đơm gaa-fae wan. Pom is I. Đơm, a new word I've learned, drink. Gaa-fae, we can guess, coffee. Wan, every day. Pom đơm gaa-fae wan. What are you doing this weekend? In Thai, I learned it is sau-aa-tid ni khun tham a-rai. Sau-aa-tid ni khun tham a-rai. Sau-aa-tid, weekend. Ni, this. Khun, you. Tham, do. A-rai, what? Sau-aa-tid ni khun tham a-rai. And finally, number 27, to respond, I will watch a movie. It is Pom ja du nang. Pom ja du nang. Pom is I. Ja, will. Do, watch. It's a new word I've learned. Nang, also another new word I've learned. Nang, movie. Pom ja du nang. Now let's recap some of the phrases that I've learned. Wan-nii, wan-aa-rai. Wan-nii, wan-aa-rai. Wan-nii, wan-jan. Wan-nii, wan-jan. Pom tam-ngan wan-ang-kaan. Pom tam-ngan wan-ang-kaan. Pom pai office one put. Pom pai office one put. Wan parahat pon bayim. Wan parahat pom bayim. Pom rian pasatai wan suk. Pom rian pasatai wan suk. Wan sau pom yaak bai tiao. Wan sau pom yaak bai tiao. Pom waang-wan-aa-tid. Pom waang-wan-aa-tid. Pom đơm gaa-fae wan. Pom đơm gaa-fae wan. Sau-aa-tid ni khun tham a-rai. Sau-aa-tid ni khun tham a-rai. Pom ja du nang. Pom ja du nang. Alright, that's all I have for this video. I'm still working on my pronunciation. Hopefully I can get better as time goes by. Thank you for watching. Khop khun ti du video na krap.